jobba som vi kjente de da. Ikke sant? Samler verdensledende teknologiselskaper midt i byen vår. Dere utfordrer, utvikler, samler folk og finner løsninger.
Great. I've learned from tons of different people about things that I don't usually cover, and I've made connections that I think will really last.
It was amazing. I loved it so much. I'm so happy that you invited me out here. I'm glad about the connections that I made. I learned a lot about media here that I never knew about, and I made some new friends.
All right, welcome back from that little break. So, media is everywhere, right up here first, and she knows. And so if you ask me today, what power I would most want, it would be the power to be distracted.
Bergen itself is beautiful, the weather's been amazing, and I love being around industry people to focus on this specific area of focus.
Hard to mind over truth. I'm sure that you know somebody, I'm sure that you have a partner.
Everything about this is great. The city, the weather, and this event that is so diverse actually, because I had a great time yesterday, and I think all these speakers here are excellent. It's world class, and we are covering some different topics. So I'm super proud to be covering the diversity aspect of this conference.
Future Week's amazing. I cannot believe that it's in this unbelievably beautiful UNESCO heritage city. I couldn't think of a better place to come and do a talk, and the sun is out.
And those things can be good or bad.
It's been just the perfect size. It's the mama bear size of a conference. Not too big so that you just have lost the sea of people, not so small that you can't have interesting conversations with the right people, and you got to know everybody here. It was a fabulous event.
Never ever become anything in life due to my lack of interest in sport. Why for my entire team of Paris? That's why I'm creating Future Island. And to the teachers that to me you're never going to achieve anything in your life.
I love everything about the Future Week, and I love everything about Media City Bergen. I love everything about Bergen, and look at the weather today. It's amazing.
Overwhelming.
In a good way?
Yes. Yes, of course. It's in depth and in use cases and in strategy. Really, really good days.
I'm so impressed about the level of speakers coming to this event, and I would highly recommend attending next year.
It was amazing being part of a really great speakers group, people I really wanted to meet, and I had the opportunity to meet here.
I think one of the most interesting things for me was the presentation from Evan, which was talking about statistics around streaming, and I work in streaming media. So for that, to see the statistics and how he can back up the facts of what's happening and whatnot was really cool to see.
I've loved it. The audience was great, but also I learned so much. The speakers were such high level. The content was amazing. I learned more in the last couple of days than I have in the last year.
Well, this is my second time at Future Week and my third visit to the Media Lab. So it's really a great place to come.
It's
been excellent. My head is exploding with information and ideas and inspiration.
But 2 days great at the conference, today with a lot of good speakers, and yesterday with a great workshop about transformation with Kagan.
I got inspired, I got thoughts that I didn't know I had. I even got tips for how to improve my workday. So it was very, very good. Thank you very much.
It's great. It's been great, and it's been a wonderful days. And for us working in this building to just meet other people in the same areas we work in, it's been fantastic. So thank you for having this Future Week.